e-commerce is a huge project for the Russian economy. It took some time for e-commerce companies to accumulate enough funds to start demonstrating very high growth. Market is huge, immense. But penetration of online e-commerce is only 9% of total retail. By 2025, it's expected to be 18%, which means market will triple over just 5 years. And given that it's also very fragmented, it means opportunities for companies like us, for the sellers on our platform, is just immense. We see a number of sellers quadruple over just 12 months. And the growth rate, exactly as you said, Hadley, was over 100% for 6 quarters in a row. We build the technology and infrastructure to enable these small and medium businesses, of course large ones as well, to deliver their products across the whole country to at least 85 million people are able to receive millions of SKUs with next day delivery, which it's a huge transition for the Russian consumer with access to assortment, affordable pricing, and just the fun of doing shopping online.
Essentially a digital boom in this country, really helped along by the policies, not just from the government itself, particularly the central bank, but also, of course, this move to digital currencies. I was talking earlier this week with the central bank governor, and she was essentially saying this is the way forward. How is that going to help your business?
It will definitely help, because our customers, they buy online, which means that if everyone has opportunity to pay with digital currency online, it's easier transaction for companies like us. So we definitely welcome this move.
One of the big questions also, when you think about this a bit more broadly in terms of that growth strategy, obviously, we know that you had set up an operational center in Belarus. That's a country that is under a lot of pressure from the West at this point. Is that going to impact your strategy there in any way?
We see opportunity to expand our platform, technology, infrastructure to all CIS countries, because we see that opening this large marketplace to local businesses, to local sellers, to enable them to sell to all this huge population of multiple CIS countries is an excellent opportunity to grow this business. And also for the local customers. Again, this creates huge opportunities for them to embrace e-commerce. So our strategy is to go to several CIS countries in near period of time, including Belarus and Kazakhstan and other countries to come.
So none of the things that are happening with regards to the international community and that pressure on Belarus are going to impact your strategy?
We care about our customers who are small and medium businesses, for which this is huge opportunity for growth. We see like all our new sellers who are onboarding the platform, they start to grow substantially faster by onboarding the platform.